Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast in gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 18.5-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seating, powered by electric motor, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number GM6200A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.